Wanted to give you a quick tour of my Jeep. It's a 2004 TJ 4.0 5-speed. I axle swapped the rear. It's a Ford 8.8. I got core 4x4 control arms all the way around. Here you might be able to see my 8.8 a little bit easier. Paid $250 at the junkyard for the axle. I got a bracket kit online. It was about $100. Very good investment. I'll have to add a picture in, but Dana 35s and Jeeps do not mix. I've done a basic steering upgrade with a bigger tie rod, but most of the steering's actually stock Dana 30 front. Here's my front bumper. I actually made this thing myself. Similar bumpers were going for over $500. I was like, you know what, I'm a welder, I can build it myself. That's what I did. Paid about $300 for the winch. It's a smittybilt 9,500 pound. It's a generation 2 winch, which is why it was so cheap, because they're on like generation 3 or 4 now. But I've used it and it works. And I actually prefer the steel cable anyways over synthetic. Got anti-rock sway bar. Painted the pumpkin to match, even though it's a little beat up. Snorkel. It's on 35s with homemade beadlocks. The tires on my Jeep are Thompson Baja Boss 35 by 1250. I'm a big fan of these. They got a lot of grip. Here's the rear bumper. I made this one too. I added a double latch because I wasn't too happy with the Jeep bumpers I've used in the past. The latches tend to fail. It's a 2-inch tube. I got a 35-inch spare. Pretty fucking heavy, but is what it is. Little D-ring on the back. It's a 3-inch lift, 1-inch body lift. One really good thing about my build with this Jeep is its low center of gravity. With a 3-inch suspension lift and a 1-inch body lift, it still handles really good on the road. Doesn't feel tippy when you're going off-road neither. The NV3550 in here was blown, so I swapped an AX15. Pretty happy with the AX15. It's a good transmission. I got a no-back transmission. And shipped to my door is about $2,000. With no core charge. I got the trail tail lights. I like those. I feel like they fit the look a lot better. Got a smittybilt premium top in here. It's pretty nice. Mine's kind of dirty right now though. Right here I got a fold down table. It was like a Amazon special, but it works really good. It actually fits a Coleman stove.